Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Carlbot has managed server and managed channels so it can create and post logs. Create a dedicated hash logs channel and lock down at everyone send permissions while allowing Carlbot to post. Once done, open the Carlbot dashboard, select your server, and locate the logging section. You're not just toggling a switch, you're mapping where events will go. Make sure to pick the hash logs channel in the drop-down so events are routed correctly and saved for review. You now choose which events matter: message edits, deletes, role changes, and member joins or leaves. Go through each event toggle and enable the specific data fields you want, like old/new content or author ID, because granular choices reduce noise. Once enabled, customize embed colors and formats so logs are readable at a glance. If you prefer webhooks for advanced formatting, configure them here. Otherwise, use the default logger. Make sure to test each event by performing the action to confirm behavior. You finish by running systematic tests. Delete a message, edit content, change a role, and invite/ban a test account to generate entries. Review the hash logs channel to confirm data, timestamps, and embeds display as expected. If nothing appears, check Carlbot's role is above the affected roles and that it has sent messages and embed links permissions. One tip: if logs stop, reauthorize Carlbot with updated scopes and recheck dashboard event toggles. That fixes most permission or token issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.